At Thrifty Plus, I like to look at items that might or might not be bargains. This is a Bell & Howell high-powered car vac with Bright Work Light. These things, well, they're not that expensive to begin with, but this one was on sale for $8.99 at Ross. Some people associate Ross with discount clothing, but they have home and car accessories too. Let's take a look inside this box and see if this is a deal or a dud. Okay, this side shows it comes with a hose, crevice, brush, and you can mix and match accessories. There's the unit itself, there's the light, there's the switch. Okay. Here is the unit. It is rather lightweight. This thing doesn't weigh much at all. The hose is rather short. Hopefully this cable that plugs into the power on your car, or as old folks like me call it, the cigarette lighter, hopefully this cord is long enough to make up for the fact that this is so short. Okay, this is going to plug in. I guess that side is how it plugs in. Or maybe not. Not real clear. Oh, I guess that's how it plugs in. And then that goes on, and that goes on there. On this photo, the brush has a brush on it, but I don't see a brush on this. So that is missing. Watch out for that. My Toyota Tacoma actually needs to be vacuumed right now. Let's see how well this does. As you can see, the driver's side floorboard in my Tacoma is quite dirty. Let's plug this thing in and try it out. The light came on even though I haven't hit the switch yet here. I'm going to start with the brush tool that's missing the brush there. Well, it makes some noise. Alright, the brush keeps falling off. We'll try to cinch it on there a little tighter. Alright, it picked up a lot, but not all of the dirt that was in there. I'm going to switch to the crevice tool. Well, it's a lot cleaner than it was. I had to go over it quite a bit more than I would if I was using a proper shop vac. But in a pinch, this Bell & Howell vacuum was working. It would be good to just do a minor cleanup. If you have a whole bunch of dirt down here, I would recommend a proper shop vac to vacuum it up. Now I'm just guessing here, but I'm gonna, oh yeah, there it goes. So it has a little filter here that keeps the stuff from coming out the other end, and all the dirt ends up in here, and this just screws back into place like so. I want to talk about Bell & Howell for a minute. This is a company long associated with film projectors and film movie cameras, but as that market died out, well, this just became a relic of the past, so to say. But it is a recognized name brand. So the brand got bought up, and now it is being used to market, you know, whatever Chinese product they want to have a brand name on. Now, is this a deal or is it a dud? Well, there's some pros and cons. The pros are it's lightweight, it's portable. It'll do a decent job if it's not too dirty on the floorboard. It's good for quick jobs. And the light does work. If it's kind of dark out, you can see what you're doing. The cons. This is not as powerful as a regular shop vac. The brush tool on mine is missing the brush. In fact, this thing didn't work well at all. I did better using the crevice tool here. The tool ends tend to come loose. So you got to cinch them on there pretty tight or they'll fall off. And when it's plugged in, this light is always on, even when the unit is off. So for $8.99, I think I pretty much got what I paid for. I will be keeping this in my vehicle for those quick, easy jobs. So it will come in handy if I want the interior of my truck to look halfway decent after I've been out getting dirt in it. So I would say it's a deal. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and thank you for watching Thrifty Plus.